The first step is to confirm whether the TAH camera is connected via private protocol. If not, please refer to the guide How to Set Up the CS Pro Series NVR System for instructions on how to configure it properly. Since alarm sound and light need to be triggered through VCA or motion detection, we first need to ensure that at least one VCA function is enabled. Here, I will use cross-line detection as an example. Click the Settings icon to enter the configuration menu. First, draw a line and select the detection target type. Then, go to Trigger Action, find alarm sound and flashing light, and enable them. Click OK to save the settings, and the changes will take effect. This means that when a person crosses the defined line, the camera will trigger the alarm sound and flashing light.
Video monitor area. You have entered into video monitor